Yes, hi. I am Professor Pramod Parajuli, now teaching at Prescott College and trying to bring in very exciting and complementary programs for the college, which has been active in what they call it experiential and community-based learning for the last 40 years. So one of the things I've been excited about developing is our collaborative projects and probably academic program with something like what Trackers Northwest does. What I like about their approach is it's very unassuming. It is unstructured compared to many other environmental or ecological education or nature or outdoors education programs. And what I like about that is that they are going to the very foundational, deep space of life. I think they are preparing people for how to live rather than how to think about the environment. By living, changing the way we live, that the environment is already taken care of. And that is fundamentally a Gandhian approach when you think about it, although Gandhi did not take people to wild nature, but that was his philosophy. That's what excites me. And what I want to make a difference between is that there are some naturalists and nature educators who I feel like they are kind of bachelors of nature, like John Moore, kind of just going into the nature and not really living from it and contemplating and meditating on it. That's one tradition. But I think what Trackers Northwest does, similar to, I would say, agroecological and indigenous cultures, is more like how to live in nature. What are those skills? What are those attitudes? What are those values? What are those ways of seeing? Looking at nature as a food escape, as a life escape, as a community building, and as a character building, as a leadership, as a resiliency. And that I resonate with those values, and I'm so glad to have found them about 4 years ago, and having seen them work with my one child at Waldorf School and my master's students at PSU. I have a sense that they have something to offer, and they don't have a set answers yet, but we are going to explore it as we go along.